chat, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you couldn't tell by my pumpkin mug, which full disclosure still has iced coffee because it's like 80 degrees outside, but we're in the fall spirit anyways. And we're gonna make this intro real quick because we have so much to do today. We're gonna be cleaning, we're gonna be shopping, we're gonna be decorating. There's so much fun fall stuff and I'm so excited. And when I say cleaning, like we are doing a deep clean. We are going to be cleaning, vacuuming under my couch. I don't think I've ever done that. Like I've lived here for a year and a half and I have never once moved my couch and vacuumed under it. So I'm kind of nervous for that, to be honest. Also, really quick before we get into it, if you do like home cleaning, organization, lifestyle, decor type videos, you should totally subscribe. With all that being said, let's get into my fall 2020 clean and decorate with me. Okay, so step number 1 is to go through all of your rooms and take down all of the summer decor or any decor that you're just not sure you want to keep up for the fall season. And to save on space, instead of keeping an empty decor box that I'll put all this summer stuff into, I wait until I empty out my fall decor box and then we'll use that to store all of my summer decor. So for right now, I'm just using this basket, which you'll see in a second. I don't normally use as a basket, but I'm using this to go around and gather all of my summer and not sure if I'm going to use for fall time decor, and then we'll store that in my office until we empty out my fall decor box. And honestly, I do get really sad taking down my summer decor. Honestly, after any season, I get sad taking down the decor that I had up because I always love what I put out, obviously. Makes sense, right? But I get so excited to put it away because I know next year when the season comes again, I'm going to be so darn excited to take it all out, get to redecorate with it. And obviously, I'm so excited to decorate for fall right now. And one of my top favorite tips for decorating any space on a budget is to ensure that all of your basics are neutral toned colors. So you see I have grays, browns, beiges, tans, and that makes it super easy whenever I want to switch up my decor and color scheme for a new season. All I have to do is, get a few throw blankets or a few throw pillows, a couple decor pieces, and it immediately changes the entire look of the room without making any major changes. When you decorate for a new season, I think this is a great time to go around and dust all your surfaces. You will be amazed at how much your decor pieces and countertops and mirrors, even your TV, how much dust those accumulate from just sitting there. And obviously we don't want to have a lot of dust around our house. It doesn't look nice, but it also isn't great for your breathing. So I highly recommend you go around, dust all your surfaces, and make sure that they are nice and smooth for when you put your decor on them. And then obviously we got to move into wiping everything down. This Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in apple cider is, oh gosh, so amazing. It smells so good. So I'm wiping down my counter. I like to do my backsplash, the whole wall, and then you'll see as we go room by room, I just continue wiping all of my surfaces down to ensure that it's super clean before we start decorating. Also, yes, I know the mirror is broken. I was so disappointed, but I'm excited to replace it. So let me know if I should do another oval one, a circle mirror, or do a big rectangle one. And another thing that I have not done once since we moved in is move this couch and vacuum underneath it. It wasn't actually as bad as I kind of anticipated. I was pleasantly surprised at how it wasn't that bad, but it still really needed a good vacuum. So first I went on the carpet, and then I'm using my little handheld vacuum to get all the corners, and then we go in with my hardwood floor vacuum and get all of that dust gone, any hair, little particles, just so that it's super clean. And when I put my couch back, I'm not, worrying that there's a bunch of dust bunnies accumulating under there. And watching these clips back, I thought Callie was so adorable how she's just standing there watching me. Obviously, this is really sped up because I didn't do it this quickly. So she was standing there for a little bit, just kind of watching like, what's my mom doing? Why is she moving my sleeping area so much? That's kind of odd. So once all the carpets in my condo were vacuumed, I switched my vacuum attachment head to the hardwood floor one again, and now I'm just going through and vacuuming all of the other floors in my condo. So it's now the next day and we have, I'm gonna show you in a second, I have all my fall stuff laid out here in front of me because today, Callie and I are gonna decorate, right, Pippi? Okay, so step 3 is to take out all of your existing fall decor and we're gonna lay it all out on the floor, like everything that you have, and then we're going to separate it into piles. And there are a couple things that I've collected new over the past few months, just seeing deals when I was shopping or at the Dollar Tree. So like these doormats are new, and then I have a couple new things in here that we're gonna be looking at. But for the most part, do not go shopping or buy any fall decor until you have decorated with what you already have, so you have a good idea of what you need. So the very first thing I'm doing is sorting through all of my fall decor and putting it into piles per room that it's going to go to. So obviously there were some things that I didn't know what room it was going to go to, but for things that I look at and I'm like, this obviously goes in the kitchen, this obviously goes in the living room, I just went ahead and separated it out to make it a little bit quicker when I go to put it in its decor spots. Excited to see everything laid out. Okay, so I now have, so here's everything that I have. I'm so excited to be able to put that little ghost outfit on Callie, but it's too hot right now. This pretty much is all gonna go to the kitchen. That's pretty much for the living room. Those couple things are the office. Over here is the bathroom. And then for this, I don't know, I didn't do a very good job of making piles, to be honest. I just put all my pumpkins here because I'm not really sure what to do with them. I think we're gonna work our way around the condo and back into the living room so that by the time we get to the living room, like only stuff that goes in the living room is here. And now the fun part, actually decorating. I always have so much fun going through my condo, putting different decor pieces in different areas. And as I've talked about in previous videos, when you're decorating a space, it's expected that you're gonna switch it up a few times. I mean, you'll see here, I put these flowers there, but eventually they're gonna move. And then I put these little pumpkins, gourds around. You just kind of play with it, take a step back, see what it looks like. And then if you feel like it's not right, you just put it somewhere else. It's kind of trial and error. And I'm so excited to decorate my home office this year. If you don't know, I do work full-time for a clinical trials research company where I do a lot of creation and management of their learning content and a lot of video production work. And we recently found out that we'll be remote until at least January of 2021. So I'm going to be spending a lot of time in my home office and I want to make it super fall-y and festive. And here's another perfect example of where I started out decorating this little coffee or this little side table with this picture of Callie, and then I moved the flowers, and then I moved them back, and then I took the picture out, and you just kind of play around with it until you feel like you really like how it looks. I love these. I know I've talked about them before, but I get the pillow inserts from Amazon for like $8 each. And then you can get different pillowcases for each season, and they range from like, $10 to $20 depending on the one you want. And it's super easy to store because you don't have to store a bunch of pillows. You just store the pillow covers and switch them out per season. Okay, so now that I have all of the decor that I own already out and in its place, we are going to go on to step 4, which will be shopping. I'm so excited. We're gonna go to Big Lots first actually, because I've heard from so many people that they have so many great things this year, so I'm excited to go check it out. Okay, so step 5 is to prepare for shopping if you're gonna be purchasing any new decor pieces for the season. Now there are 2 very essential steps in my opinion you need to take before you go shopping or purchase anything. And the first is to go around all of the different spaces that you're gonna decorate and make a list of exactly what you want to buy. You never want to go in the store just blinded like, oh my gosh, there's so much decor, because you're going to get overwhelmed. You're probably going to buy something that you didn't actually need, or you might even just end up leaving because you're like, I don't know what I want to do with any of this. So definitely make a list of exactly what you want. And then I also highly recommend taking pictures of all of your different spaces that you're going to decorate, because that way when you're in the store, as you'll see here in step 6, which is to go shopping, I'm referencing one of the photos that I took so I can hold up different decor pieces to it and get a good idea of if I think that piece will fit well in my space. And I love this taking photos trick for 2 reasons. The first is that it's going to hopefully save you money because you're less likely to buy something that doesn't actually go with your space and that you don't end up wanting to use. But I also find that it makes the shopping experience less stressful and more enjoyable, because it's almost like you're bringing your home to the store. So you could see, okay, do I actually want to bring this piece to my home? Will it work? And if it does, then you go ahead and buy it. So as you just saw, we were just in Big Lots, and I'm gonna be honest, I was a little disappointed. I mean, they definitely had a lot of cute stuff, but I was looking for very specific things, like I want a wooden pumpkin and a glass pumpkin. They didn't really have anything that, I don't know, I felt would make sense to purchase there. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, but I also went to the Dollar Tree and got a bunch of things, which I'm really excited about. We're going to be doing the garland above the kitchen, and I got a lot more of those little glass pumpkins. All the leaves are falling down already. Callie's very excited we just got home. Are you happy we got home? As you just saw, I was excited about the leaves, and then Tim goes, oh, hi baby. Tim goes, those were from the storm, not because it's fall. I was like, oh, that's true. So that big storm that the Northeast got a week ago, that's why all the leaves are on the ground. But that's okay, it still feels like fall. Are you happy that we're home? Are you happy that we're home? Are you happy? Are you happy that we're home? Yay! You're gonna go for car ride later? Yay! You're so cute, baby. I love you. Oh yes, they love you too. Big Lots was kind of a fail, but that's okay because I got some fun stuff at the Dollar Tree. Super quick, I just want to show you. Lots more of these garlands because Tim's gonna help me hang those above the cabinets. And then a couple more of these bows. I really like to put these on all my lamps. So I got a couple of those, another garland, and then I got so many pumpkins. I got 3 to be exact. Look how cute these are, and they're all only $1. I have so many around the condo. Most of the pumpkins I've shown you, they're from the Dollar Tree. And step 7 is to add all of your new decor to your home. Now, I did get a couple things from TJ Maxx, including this blanket, which I love. I'm going to insert a picture here of their selection. They clearly do not have a lot of fall decor out yet, but I did find a few things that I really love, including this blanket. I decided to switch it up, so I added this one to the living room and then took the other one that I had on the couch, and we're going to move it to my bed. I really wanted some sort of fall blanket on my bed. I just find that that takes it up to the next level and makes the room feel so cozy. And then I also added one of these leaf garlands from the Dollar Tree to my dresser, and as you can see here, I'm so excited about this. I also added these garlands to the top of my cabinet. I just feel like it's so whimsical and almost like you're in a fall fairy forest. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I really love that. And then I also wanted to add some sort of a wooden pumpkin to this corner to kind of warm up the space, and I found this one from TJ Maxx, which I am in love with. And the final step, of course, is to enjoy your decor, just making it feel warm and cozy and homey, and really tapping into whatever your personal style is, and then adding in some fall elements to make you feel at home. And of course, decorating is a process, so there are definitely a few things that I want to do up within the next few weeks to really finalize my fall decor for 2020. I want to add a few things to this wine chest. I feel like it just needs a little something, and then I definitely want to get a new tablecloth for the dining room. Also want to add in some DIY projects that we're going to do in upcoming videos to make my home feel even more personalized for fall, and I'm just so excited to share it with y'all and take you through. So if you are enjoying this video and you're excited for more fall decor decor videos from me, I would love, 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 love to have you as a subscriber if you're not already. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, I would love for you to let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna let you watch the rest of the decor now. If you watch until this part, comment falling for fall. And also let me know if you started decorating for fall, or if you haven't yet, when you do start decorating. I know this is like crazy early, but I just get so excited. And I think that's about it. So I love y'all so, so much, and I will see you in my next video.